Hey everybody, welcome back to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Today we're going to be drawing a
holiday penguin.
holiday penguin. This one should be pretty easy, a little challenging, but let's get to it. All right everybody, we're getting started on our holiday penguin. Grab a black marker here, and we're going to do the head kind of in this area right here. So I'll go first and you kind of follow me. We'll do a big, okay, and let's put our marker down. We're going to do a scarf around the neck. Okay, everyone? Grab a red or any color scarf you want for a holiday penguin. I'm going to do a small circle right here. Now we're going to connect this line into the circle. And another one up to the neck. Okay? And now I'm going to do a little bulge out here for the scarf edge. And another one there for the scarf. Okay? And the scarf is going to have two kind of pieces flying out here. There's one. Bring it back up to the circle. And another one that comes down and connects into the other scarf. Okay. Now we're going to bring this edge of the scarf down, around, and into the circle here. So kind of like a bow into the circle. And let's connect that. All right, I'm just going to draw a couple of stripes here. Adds, and we'll color these in at the end. And let's do one on this. And we'll do a couple here, following the contour. Good job. Good job. All right, there's our scarf. Now, let's get our black marker back, and we'll do, actually, should we draw the foot?
Yeah.
Let's do a big foot. We're going to do a big penguin foot right here, and then, so follow me. We'll do a big kind of squiggly shape. So good job. And then we'll connect it down like a big U. So it kind of looks like the bottom of a duck foot or a penguin foot. Now we're going to get our black marker back, and we're going to make a big belly connecting this scarf to the foot. So big belly. Good job. And we're going to come down here and make another belly. Okay, ready? Connect it to the scarf up there. Now let's do our other orange foot. We'll do it on this side right here. It's going to be pointing down, so follow me. We'll go down. Good job. Grab our black marker again, and let's make some fun arms. Okay? We'll start in the middle of this scarf and we'll go up. We'll start in the middle of this scarf and we'll go up. We'll kind of make it curve down and into the body. Good job. Do the same thing. We'll curve down and into the body here. Curve down and up into that body area. Now while we have our black marker, let's make the edge of the belly over here. We'll kind of go down and into the foot. And we'll go down and into this foot. We'll color those in a minute. Now let's make the face now that we have our black marker. We'll go start at the scarf, and we're going to do big up, down, up, down. Good job. Should we make them have smiley eyes?
Yeah.
Squinty? All right, let's do squinty, smiley eyes. I don't know what squinty, smiley means, but okay. And what should we do on top of that head?
A hat.
You want to do a hat?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's grab our green. Green marker, maybe we'll do it kind of offset. So go up, and another one kind of going out. And connect the two to like the big rainbow shape. And I'm gonna do...
It looks like a sailor.
It does look like a sailor. You could leave it like that and have a sailor penguin, or you could kind of go up like a rounded triangle, just up and round that triangle off. And I want the ball on the top of that winter hat to be red, so I'm going to take my red and do a big ball right there. Alrighty. So one thing we're missing here, it looks like, is the penguin's what?
Nose.
The nose or the beak?
The mouth.
The mouth? All right. Let's do a pointy smile. Okay. That's kind of the middle of the beak. And then down below, good job. Now we got to do one above that's kind of pointy. How's that?
It's looking great.
That looks pretty good. I like to should we leave it like that? Should we color it? What do you think?
I think we should leave it.
Okay, we can leave it. Other ideas you could do are maybe you could put some fun moose ears or reindeer ears or anything you want. Maybe a candy cane in the hand of the penguin. But we're going to fast forward here and color this penguin for you. Ready? Go.